Hey everyone, in this video, I'm reviewing the Ballet wallet. Product links down below. The Ballet wallet is a unique, non-custodial crypto wallet that prioritizes simplicity and security. This hardware wallet is perfect for both beginners and experienced users wanting secure, offline crypto storage. Unlike typical hardware wallets, the Ballet wallet is a durable stainless steel card. Being completely offline means your private keys are never exposed to the internet, making it incredibly secure and perfect for long-term, cold storage. Setup is incredibly easy. Simply scan the wallet's QR code with the Ballet app, and you're done, no complicated computer or phone setup required. This user-friendly design is ideal for crypto newcomers. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDT. A built-in recovery key ensures you can restore your funds if your card is lost. Ballet Wallet offers peace of mind with offline key storage and tamper-proof design. Multi-signature support further enhances security for larger holdings. If you value security, simplicity, and physical ownership of your crypto, the Ballet Wallet is ideal. I've had a great experience with it and highly recommend it for secure and straightforward cold storage. Learn more in the description below.